Good afternoon, one and all. Myself is Dr. B. Srinivaslu. Now I am handling a subject of industrial engineer. The basic concept of industrial engineering, let's be discussed, okay. This is having a two terms, industrial and engineering. If I say of industrial, it is deals as a industry. It is deals with a industry. If I am speaking about industry means it deals with the productivity, means input and output. If I am speaking about the engineering, engineering is deals with your maths, physics, economics and what are the markets, okay, and the managements. So this deals with your engineer. Now before going to the course objectives and a course outcome, the basic principles of our subject is what are the course objectives and the course outcomes should be of our industrial engineering. Now see here the course objective. If I am speaking regarding our course objectives, so here the first point it deals with the to learn the concept of management. If I am speaking about the what is the management, see here the concept of management here back management. So here if I am speaking about the management, see here means first the concept of management, it should be having a planning. First thing it will be having a planning, then organizing, then staffing, then what happened directing, okay, this all and continuity means here there will be having a first point is planning, okay. First point I said there will be having a planning should be there. After planning there will be a organizing. So before going to any of it, may be if we want to build one organization, if we want to build some industry, so there will be having some productivity. I want to build some productivity, okay. So from one product or some machines, so there will be having some planning should be there, okay. Then from the planning where organizing should be taken place. Organizing, then staff, okay, how much staff we are taking place here, staffing, then deductivity means here whatever the staff their resources we are giving to the staff, they should be having, okay. So deductivity, how much they can do with the time and the cost. Deductivity. In the same manner we are going with the continuity, means planning is over, organizing over of the if industry completed or a product is completed. After that one staffing we are going that one, how much staff is required. If I want to construct a one engineering college, so the how much staff is required here for the department wise. In the same manner, if I want to go with the some in small scale industry, how much staff is required, how much means staff can be distributed in the manner of a what are the welding way, what is the technique means or the plumbing way. This way we are going for the staffing, how much staff is required. Then whether staff is a directing means they can quality check, we can go after that continuous can be taken, continuity can be taken. Continuity take place in a planning here. So this is a concept of FI. So this is a concept of second. See here, this is a concept of first one. See here, from that one we have completed what is the meaning of management. Management having a planning, organizing, staffing and directivity and a continuity can be taken place here. This is a to learn the concept of management. Now to understand the role of production planning and the control of in a industry. So if I speak about the production planning, so the basic point of our production planning and the control if I speaks here. So first thing What are the production planning from the management have given to the resource persons? Whatever the management have given the resource to the whatever the management have given for the production planning to the resource person. So with that they have to produce one product in the limited time and the cost. That is means of production planning and control. That is the meaning of production planning and cost. So here the management gives a production planning to the resource person to produce one goods or produce some machines. So in the certain time and the cost will be a reduces, that means we have to reduce that cost. Okay, then we have to, and within a time limit we have to produce that product. That is the production planning and control in the industries. In the same manner, if I want to go with to learn the various material procurement of a policies, here it plays of a very important point. If I am saying of a procurement of a policies, so if when we are dealing with a customer, so customer requirement is there, he will send some invoice, purchase order, so we have to, and there will be. Now the third point is a course objective is a to material procurement policy. So here the procurement of a policy means according to our customer we are giving a some invoice, okay, purchase order. So what are the warranties is there, whether we have to at that certain limited we are going for the renewal time automatically. So what are the qualities is that, means policy is plays of a major role here. So here without policy, if anything of a your material you have supplied to the person and it is not in a good condition, so what happens, there will be a exchange will be there. So there will be a procurement of a policy should be there. So it was that deals with your invoices, delivery and challans. Okay, this all things comes in a procurement of a policy season. Now coming to the fourth point is to understand the importance of quality control. What are the quality? Means here whatever the product you are and the various methods, means whatever you are producing, it should be a quality check. It should be a quality check should be a taken place here. Without quality check, without of any QC, if you are producing some material or a machine, if you send into the market, so the customer will raise on us. So it should be a quality should be there, and there will be a having a quality check. There will be some department wise of a quality checks are there, step by step. After the production, there will be a going for the another department, then another department, this another. So there will be a QC check will be after the finishing, there will be having a QC check, the quality check here. That means before delivery to the customer. And last point is here is a decision theory in a industries. If some cases what happened here in a decision theory of our industry, so very basic point here is it will be a takes place in a risk time, uncertainty time. Okay, this will be a take place and very risky time. So what happened here, sir, pause करो, मैं एक point भूल गया था. Okay. Now the last point our is the decision theory in industries. Means here at the time of if a management person is not there, now I want to product, means I want to produce one thing. So what type of that is a decision theory we are saying, means very difficulty is there. So complexity time and the risk management should be taken place here, and uncertainty is there, and alternate thought is there. We can't, if a production is carrying continuously, so what happened, if some repair is there, so what happened, we can't go and call the person from the repair person to, because due to the time. So if a minute error, minute problem is there, so immediately alternate method we are going that one. Okay, that is a risk of management we are going that one. Okay, if a example, if this machine some repair is there, so we can alternately we are risk management we are taking place, instead of calling the person and it will take time to repair that one. So we are taking own decision. The last point our is role of decision theory in industries. Means At the time of, it may be a decision making, means we can't call, if a machine got repaired, minute repair is there, we can't go and call the repair person, it will take time consuming. So at the time we are going for the alternate thinking, uncertainty, risk of management here. So here we are going alternate way. Okay. So in this manner we are going, we are not calling the person and to repair this all things. So this will having a time consuming automatically here. So what happened here? We are making alternate method, immediate method we can also say. That is a risk of management, we can also say that one. Okay. And sometimes what happened here, we are going for the, if some complicity is there, we have to take, if risk means that is a deals with your money and the time. So what happened, we are going for the complicity methods also sometimes. Okay. This is your course objective. To whatever the objective we are having, it should be a course outcome should be there for every subjects. So course, according to this one, course outcome. Now see here, according to just first one of a here, the concept of a management here, we have gone for the industrial management, concept of management. Just now I said of a management here, concept of a management is a planning, organizing, staffing, directivity and continuity. These all things can be taken care of. In the same manner, apply the philosophy of production planning control. Just now I said there will be having a production planning, means they have given for the time, at the particular time we have to produce one product with a less cost. We have to produce one product, the time limit which is given by the management, okay, that is a at a less cost, that is a production planning and control. Okay. And the same way, here is a third point is a optimum required of a by inventory by developing a various quantity models. Means it may be a deals with your production, mass production, batch production, what types of a production can be taken place here. Okay. So that is the inventory, that is the optimum, means here at shortcut methods. It will be a shortcut method too. If I want in the same manner, the product is delivered here. So what happened? Product I have almost of a hundreds of products have product is the production is taken place. Now I want to go with the delivery. In which way? You know that it will by shipping it will take for 10 days. For by roadway it will go for the 5 days. So what happened here? When the time consuming is more, time consuming is less, we are going by the roadway. And even the cost way is also less, we are going with the by roadway instead of ship way. That is the optimum techniques here. Okay. Now coming to the fourth point here, the models and the method or methods ensuring the required quality of products, means that is the reason whatever the product is produced, it should be a quality check before delivery to the customer. Now in the same manner, whatever the decision theory just and apply various approach. Just now I said the uncertainty, risk condition and alternate. So this all comes in a decision of theory concept here. Okay. Next. So in this, so here the unit wise is there. So see the unit wise, here is the management. First unit is the take place of a management here. Just now I have discussed of a course objective and a course outcomes here. According to that one, we are going for the management here. What are the things, systems of a approach, okay, decision making process. This all comes in a first unit. Now the production planning and the control. This comes in your second unit. In the same manner, what are the inventories or their qualities are there, that quality inventory control, that's also we can say. And the third unit and the fourth unit is a quality control. Okay. In the same manner, what are the fifth unit is a decision theory. Okay, means certainty. This all first unit, second unit, third unit and fourth and fifth unit. Just now we have whatever the course objectives and the course outcome from the objective, the outcomes is comes. Okay, without of a aim, outcome should not be possible. So objective, then outcomes, then it's our subject is frame. So next. See here, according to this one, just now discuss the industrial engineering means deals with your design, planning and effective utilization and optimization. and whatever the resource and production and the managements here. Okay. So I said before also the industrial engineering is divided into two things, the industrial and industrial first से बोलना पूरा. Okay. Here just now I discussed about the industrial engineer. Just this is the introduction of India. Means it is a mainly depend upon the, we can also say that is a planning, that is a design, in sense of design we are saying, and what are the planning effective, what are the quality, what is the optimization techniques, means what are the means per way. Okay. These are the optimized techniques, and what are the resources and what are the management is utilized to the means to the staff. In the same way, what is the manufacturing process, how much means at a low cost we are procuring, and what type of with a low cost we are getting, at what time and the cost we are delivering to the customer. So this all come in the manufacturing process. Okay. And what are the mass production, batch production, this all comes in a production manufacturing process. And coming to the industrial, this I said before also, it is divided into a two types, two things, the industrial engineering. Into two parts, industrial and engineering. Industrial, it's as a industrial, that is industry and production. If I am saying just now, first thing I have said of a in the production, whatever the productivity is there, means input, product is completed, input is taken place. Now we have to supply to the customer, means in which way the production is completed, then we have to supply. That is a industry. Now coming to the engineer. Engineer means of your maths, physics, economics, managements, whatever the methods, optimization methods, in whatever the product is completed, at what time we have to, means time, cost, everything plays here, your engineering here. This is a introduction to the our industrial engineering. Okay, thank you for this section.